Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp chowder soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including succulent shrimp, hearty potatoes, and sweet corn. Next, focus on creating a rich, flavorful broth that will form the delicious base of our chowder. Remember to cook your vegetables until they are perfectly tender before introducing the shrimp. To build that incredible flavor, begin by sautéing your aromatics such as diced onions, celery, and minced garlic until fragrant. Then, deglaze the pot with a splash of dry white wine or a good quality seafood stock to capture all those delicious brown bits. Finally, thicken your chowder to the perfect consistency using a simple roux or a cornstarch slurry. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now it's time to add the heart of our chowder. Carefully incorporate your diced potatoes and sweet corn kernels into the simmering broth. Let it gently simmer until the vegetables are tender crisp, but not mushy. The final step for this stage is to stir in your fresh, raw shrimp and a generous amount of heavy cream, ensuring a rich and luxurious texture. The key to perfect shrimp is not to overcook them. They should turn pink and opaque in just a few minutes. Taste and season your chowder generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Serve this comforting shrimp chowder piping hot, perhaps with some crusty bread or a side of oyster crackers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.